Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EasySpeak Lab, the place where we make English feel like your native language.
Hi, family. We are so excited for today's episode. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our global community of learners.
Today, we have something very special. We are going to a place everyone visits, but almost everyone makes mistakes, the coffee shop.
Oh, I'm ready, Ryan. Let's get our caffeine and our English ready.
Whisper, Sophie, stop. Don't say a word. Just listen to that guy at the front of the line.
Why? He's just ordering coffee, Ryan.
No, he's not just ordering. He's struggling. He's been trying to explain what he wants for 5 minutes. Look at the barista's face. Oh no.
Poor guy. He looks so nervous. He just said, "I want black drink."
And that, Sophie, is why we are here today. Welcome back to EasySpeak Lab, family. Today, we are not just teaching you English, we're giving you a survival guide for the cafe jungle.
The cafe jungle. I love that. Because it really is a jungle, especially in big cities like London or New York. If you are slow, the predators, the baristas, will get you.
Exactly. But before we start, I have a secret. Somewhere in this episode, I'm going to tell you about the one word that almost got me kicked out of a cafe in Italy.
Wait, you? Kicked out? You're an English teacher.
Teachers make mistakes too, Sophie. And trust me, this one involves a very angry Italian man and a glass of, well, you'll see. Rule number 1. Don't be a robot.
What do you mean by robot, Ryan?
Most students learn the sentence, I want a coffee. Is it grammatically correct? Yes. Is it natural? No.
It sounds a bit like a command, right? Like you're a king ordering a servant.
Precisely. In the jungle, we use soft openings. Could I get is your best friend? It's polite, fast, and professional.
But, Ryan, I hear people in movies saying something else, like, can I grab a... Is that okay?
Great catch, Sophie. Can I grab a is the ultimate casual phrase. Use this if you want to sound like a native who lives in the city. Hey, can I grab a latte, please?
Oh, listeners, did you hear that? Ryan didn't say grab a, he said grab a. It's a link.
Okay, family, let's test your ears. I'm going to say 3 sentences. You tell me which one sounds the most native. 1, give me 1 tea. 2, I'll have a small Americano, please. 3, I want to drink coffee now.
Stop. Pause the video, write 1, 2, or 3 in the comments right now. If you get it right, Ryan will give you a virtual high five. Go, go, go!
The answer is number 2. I'll have a is perfect for when you're standing in line and you're finally at the counter.
Okay, so I said, could I get a latte, please? But then the barista asked me, what kind of milk? I was so confused. I thought milk was just milk.
Welcome to 2026, Sophie. We have 100 types of milk now. Let's break them down for the listeners. First, you have whole milk. This is the classic full-fat milk.
And if I'm on a diet?
Then you ask for skimmed milk, or as the natives say, skinny.
Skinny latte. I like that. It sounds like the coffee is going to make me thin.
I wish. And then we have the plant-based world. Oat, soy, almond. Sophie, what's your favorite?
Definitely oat milk. It's so creamy. But wait, Ryan, the A in oat is silent, right? You don't say o-at.
Perfect, Sophie. It's just oat, like boat or coat. Okay, family, part 1 of the cafe jungle is over. We learned how to start the order and the secret language of milk.
But don't go anywhere. In part 2, we are calling a real barista from London, and Ryan is finally going to tell us about that Italian disaster.
It's going to be embarrassing. See you in part 2. Okay, family, we know how to start the order and we know our milk, but now it's time to get professional.
Yes, because sometimes the menu is just crazy. Ryan, what is a flat white? Is it just a latte?
Careful, Sophie. If you say that to a barista in Australia or London, they might get offended. A flat white is stronger and has less foam.
Oh, so it's for people who really want to wake up. Speaking of baristas, shouldn't we ask a pro?
Great idea. Let's go to London.
Hello?
Oliver, you're on EasySpeak Lab. Tell our students, what is the most common mistake people make in your London cafe?
Hello, Sophie. Well, the biggest one is definitely the macchiato confusion. People order a large macchiato because they think it's like a Starbucks caramel drink. But here, in a traditional cafe, a macchiato is tiny, just an espresso with a stain of milk.
A stain of milk. I love that expression.
Yeah. And one more thing, love. Tell them to stop asking for espresso. It's espresso. There's no X in it, unless they want to go to the moon.
Cripes. Thanks, Oliver. We'll tell them. Bye.
Okay, family. Oliver was very clear. No X in espresso. But be honest, have you ever said it with an X? Or have you heard someone say it? Write, I am guilty, or I am innocent in the comments right now. Ryan and I will count the guilty ones.
Don't worry, even I was guilty once, but we will get to that story soon.
Okay, Ryan, I can't wait anymore. You said you almost got kicked out of an Italian cafe? What happened?
Okay. It was my first time in Rome. I wanted to look cool. I walked into a beautiful old cafe. I looked at the barista, a very serious man with a big mustache, and I said, "Hi, can I have a latte, please?"
And? That's a normal order.
Not in Italy, Sophie. The man looked at me, didn't say a word, and put a glass of cold, white, plain milk on the counter.
Just milk? No coffee?
Zero coffee. I said, "Sir, where's my coffee?" And he started shouting in Italian. Latte means milk. You want coffee? Order a cafe.
Oh my God. So if you are in Italy, latte is just milk. You must say cafe latte or just cappuccino.
Exactly. I drank my cold milk and left very quickly. It was so embarrassing.
Okay, so we survived Italy, but back to English. What if I want my coffee to be very, very hot or iced?
Great question. For temperature, you can say extra hot.
And what about the iced drinks? I heard Sarah from New York say iced skinny vanilla latte. That's a long name.
New Yorkers love long names. But the order is always temperature, size, milk, flavor, drink.
Let me try. Iced, large, oat, caramel, macchiato. Did I do it?
Perfect. You sounded like a native pro.
Wow, Ryan. Part 2 was intense. We learned about macchiatos, the Italy trap, and how to build a giant coffee name.
But we are not finished. Part 3 is where the real drama happens. I'm going to tell you the story of how I met Hugh Jackman, Wolverine, in a cafe and made the biggest mistake of my life.
No way. Wolverine? I can't wait. Family, don't go anywhere. Part 3 is coming. Okay, Ryan, this is it. The family is waiting. You, a New York cafe, and Wolverine? Tell us everything.
Okay. It was 2018, New York, West Village, a tiny hipster cafe. I was wearing my favorite black turtleneck. I thought I looked like a genius English teacher.
A turtleneck? Very professional, Ryan.
I was standing in line, looking at my phone. Suddenly, I felt a presence. Someone huge was standing behind me. I smelled expensive cigars and leather.
Was it him?
I turned around slowly, and there he was, Hugh Jackman, reading a script. He looked at me, gave me a small smile, and said, "Morning, mate."
Oh my God. What did you do? Did you ask for a photo?
No, I wanted to be cool. I wanted to show him I was a sophisticated New Yorker. It was my turn to order. I looked at the barista. Then I looked at Hugh, and I said, "I'll have a double espresso, please, with an X."
Oh no, Ryan, you said the X word in front of Wolverine?
Yes! The whole cafe went silent. Hugh Jackman leaned forward, touched my shoulder. His hand was huge, Sophie, and he whispered in my ear, "Excuse me, mate, it's an espresso. There's no X in coffee, but there's an X in X-Men."
Ryan, that is the best grammar lesson in history. Wolverine corrected your English.
I know. I was so embarrassed, I just took my espresso and ran out of the shop. I didn't even put sugar in it. Okay, Sophie, I shared my pain. Now it's your turn. Tell the family about your ceramic cup incident.
Oh, okay. I was in a very fancy cafe in London. I saw a beautiful handmade ceramic cup on the counter. It had some silver inside. I thought it was a very artistic way to serve a double macchiato.
Wait, silver? Sophie, were those coins?
Yes, I picked up the cup and I was about to drink it, and the barista screamed, "Stop! That is the tip jar!"
You almost drank the tips. You almost swallowed a 50-pence coin.
I was so confused. In my country, tip jars are glass, not beautiful ceramic.
Okay, family, it's time for the ultimate vote. Who had the most embarrassing moment? A. Ryan, the Wolverine disaster. B. Sophie, the tip jar drinker. Write A or B in the comments right now. We are checking every single comment.
Before we go, we have a mission for you. This is the EasySpeak Speaking Challenge.
Tomorrow morning when you wake up, go to your kitchen. Imagine I am the barista.
Say this out loud. Could I grab a medium oat latte to go, please?
Say it 5 times. Once while you are smiling, once while you are in a hurry, and once like a boss.
Thank you for joining us in the cafe jungle today. You are now officially ready to order coffee anywhere in the world.
We love you, EasySpeak family. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today.
Subscribe for episode 6, where we are going to, well, it's a surprise.
Keep practicing, keep smiling. Bye-bye.
See ya! And remember, no X in espresso.